up, yeah.
Approach, Skylane 8051 Bravo, descending through 41.
Okay, cameras are on. Eddie's first flight.
All right.
I can see if they can do. Hope they can see. Yeah, they should be able to see.
And we're managing before Shabbat.
Yeah.
Begins.
Okay, taxi. I gotta watch for any traffic that goes my way.
We're in traffic. Taxi, flying Foxtrot, turning final for touch and go runway 16 right now.
Traffic, Skyhawk 9er Sierra Whiskey is over the Boynton Inlet at 1,000 feet. 4 miles to the southeast, we'll be joining left traffic for 16 Lantana.
Lantana traffic, Skyhawk 1612 turning left downwind for runway 16, student on solo Lantana.
There's a student solo. A student that's doing their first solo.
Oh, really?
Up in the air. Traffic Cherokee crossing your runway 28 on Bravo, Lantana. Right clear. Okay, you gonna help me? Right clear. Anybody coming that way?
Clear.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna, because we're crossing a runway right now. So we have to be more diligent about other traffic. Traffic Cherokee entering runway 16, departing northeast, Lantana. Airspeed is alive. Bases are in the green.
Taking off now.
50, 60, 65, roll.
Helicopter 3 Alpha Tango, taking off right route, parallel 16.
1000. Checklist. Fuel pump off. Fuel pressure. Check. Okay, so Eddie is flying. Him, no hands. I have no hands. He's got one hand. He's a professional pilot.
Yeah.
3 Hotel Charlie, turn left turn heading.
Right now, the captain. By a captain, I'm no captain.
You're the captain now.
Yeah.
Go a little bit to the right. Just a bit to the right. Just a little bit.
By me, I'm a captain right now, but by a captain, I'm no captain.
Okay, straight mid now?
Yeah, it's an old Jewish tale.
Yeah. Okay, you're good. Soon we'll have to contact the tower if they don't make us change again.
Can we tell Siri to do that?
Yeah. Let me know if you get tired or you want me to take over.
I'm good.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah,
Whoop.
whoops.
You gotta watch it. Hang on. Let me correct.
Yeah.
For 5320 November, Tommy.
I was moving my seat.
There you go.
You moved your seat? You want to move it?
No. I was, because I'm
320 November, radar contact.
trying to look over the dashboard.
And the altitude climbing to.
You know, so I kind of maneuver.
So you're holding this as a leverage, but it's no leverage.
You're right.
Okay, are you holding it?
Yeah.
Let go for a second. Let go of that. Just want to see if my trim is right. Okay, so you must be pulling it then.
Oh, I was, yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Descending to 3,500.
This, I'm trimming it for it. This is a trim.
Roger information.
So what it does, it alleviates, removes the pressure. So right now you're pulling it. Let go. Let go.
5320 November, contact.
It's gonna go down.
Center 132.25.
Okay. Yeah.
32 and a quarter.
Because you're pulling it a little bit.
I found myself gripping tight.
Like two fingers like this.
Yeah.
3 fingers, yeah?
Yeah.
Like this. Okay, now let's go down. Okay, that's all you have to do.
Yeah. Now we're going up. Yeah.
Approach, Skylane 8051 Bravo, descending through 41 for 4. We'll accept 51 Bravo. 4 Golf, November 164 Golf Bravo, descend and maintain 3000.
4,000 descending 3,000, 4 Golf Bravo.
That's cloudy?
It's haze.
Oh, it's a haze, yeah. So when it's really hazy or cloudy, you rely on your instrumentation. Right.
Yeah. When I fly lessons for instruments, I cannot see the outside at all. I have a goggle thing, and I just look at this. Doing well, doing very well actually.
So how close do you normally fly to the coastline?
How do I know?
Do you ever fly closer? Are you allowed to?
You actually can, but right now we have airports. See that, is there an airport over there?
Yeah.
They have their space
Oh,
right here.
I see.
See? It even warns me here.
22336, proceed on course to Vero Beach and report the field in sight. It's going to be 11 o'clock, 10 miles.
We'll report the field inside, Cherokee 22336. In fact, I have it inside, Cherokee 22336.
22336, radar service terminated, Fox VFR, Vero Beach Towers 126.3.
126.3, thank you. Have a good day, Cherokee 22336. Now it's going to get a bit busy. Okay, I have controls?
Yeah.
Okay, so you let go. When I say I have control, you let go.
You want me to go?
You gotta go. And you say you have control.
You have control.
I have control. Okay. That's the procedure to do.
Yeah.
Okay, let me contact the tower. Vero Beach Tower, Cherokee 22336 at 2,400, about 10 miles southeast. With information, Mike, inbound.
22336, Vero Beach Tower, make right traffic, runway 12 right.
Right traffic, 12 right, Cherokee 22336. Lights, camera, action. 10 throttle mixture, carb heat off. Check, oil pressure, check. Checklist is complete. Okay, 200 to go. 1,000, and let's slow down. Flaps free.
336, just continue on the downwind. I'm going to call your base turn for you.
We'll call my base, Cherokee 22336.
November 336, can you make a short approach?
Unable, Cherokee 22336.
Right. The 336, your number 1, runway 12 right, clear to land.
Number 1, 12 right, clear to land, Cherokee 22336.
November 336, turn right on Alpha, safe parking.
Turn right on Alpha, the restaurant, Cherokee 22336.
336, actually, if you could make a right turn on runway 22, that would actually help out a little bit.
We'll make a turn on 22, Cherokee 22336.
Good, 336, stay with me to the ramp via Charlie, we'll see you later.
Yeah, Charlie, Cherokee 22336, thank you.
So here we are at Vero Beach restaurant. Me and Eddie. So Eddie, how was the flight? And you eating?
Hey, if I can eat after the flight, we're good.
Yeah, that's good. You enjoyed it.
I had to help Ben a little bit. It was a little bit unsteady, so I had to take over for a bit. No problem.
He did.
Once we wiped the sweat off his brows and forehead, then I felt comfortable in giving him back the control. And here we are, we're having breakfast now. We're in Vero Beach. On the way back, we're going to go along the coastline again. And we'll fly over my buddy's house. Oh, who you ask? You know, Trump. We're gonna fly right over his house. I was hoping Ben would be able to make a pit stop, but he says he's got a couple of appointments, so we're just running short on time. So next time maybe.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Okay. Over and out.
Okay.
Cherokee 336, I have traffic waiting for you. Increase your taxi speed if able.
We'll increase taxi speed, Cherokee 22336. Okay, he's holding. Nobody's on the left. We're going through runway 22. Okay. Airspeed is alive. Gauges are in the green.
Number 1, holding short, runway 12 right, take off
50.
No, number 8,
60.
Roger. Number 2, holding short, runway 12 right, take off time.
That's Southwest 6621.
Thank you.
Crabbing. Okay, let's get some altitude.
I got 324, radar contact 10 to the southwest of the Fort Pierce Airport. Maintain VFR at or above 3,500.
We should get a better view now on your right. Yeah. It looks like we're approved for this course. For Cherokee 22336 at 3,500.
Number 22336 Palm Beach, good afternoon. Advise any altitude changes. Vero Beach altimeter 3009er.
3009er, and we'll advise altitude changes. Maintain VFR, Cherokee 22336.
Palm Beach,
You want to fly a little bit?
Fort Pierce information changes. You can expect visual for 336. Traffic 12 o'clock, 1 mile eastbound of Kodiak 2600. Climb in Iowa Center.
Looking for traffic, Cherokee 22336. So there's somebody that's crossing us below.
Degrees right past behind.
Okay, so but there's someone
on the
now.
heading, and for 250 Delta Lima, we need to cross like maybe
See him?
10 right.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, no problem. It maintains 5,000 for now. You can expect runway 10 right.
This is like a lifesaver. This.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What does it tell you there?
See, it tells me in yellow means a warning. There's an airplane going this way on my right. There was one left that went that way, and there's another one. Yeah.
Like a
Red means imminent danger. So.
Like a radar. Good radar.
It is working from the radar actually. They put an autopilot a little bit. At least the heading.
1 Bravo, sliding
They
280.
turn left a little bit.
Bravo left 280.
I love this autopilot. It's not the best autopilot, but it's.
8650 Hotel.
I just turned the bug and it goes by itself.
8650 Hotel.
Keeps it pretty level.
VFR altitude discretion.
Yeah, it keeps it level.
Using runway 14.
Yeah.
All these things you buy, do they maintain their value? Or do they
Yes and no.
depreciate?
Yeah, it definitely decreases the value. Definitely.
Yeah?
Yeah. But are you getting your money's worth if you sell it?
Yeah, that's
Not
what I
really.
mean. Yeah, no.
No.
Number 336, traffic 2 o'clock and 3 miles. Just departed Stewart Clement at 1,500 for 3,000, a Falcon.
Looking for traffic, Cherokee 22336. So there's a Falcon, there's a jet
2,000, 3,000,
that's flying pretty close to us.
Departure, radar contact, turn left heading 0.
I gotta watch out for it.
I'm assuming above us.
No, he's just climbing up now. He's gonna come pretty quick.
And maintaining 3,000.
So the reason he told me that is to watch for the wake.
1492, you can expect it.
Take off the autopilot and fly it. So he should be here around.
We just got an RA from that traffic above us. We're descending.
Yeah, he got a warning. He just said on the radio. Oh, there he is.
92, Roger. We'll able to maintain 3,000.
Oh yeah.
3,000. Not calling for I2.
Traffic inside, Cherokee 22336. Yeah, that's him.
336, Roger. And begin a VFR descent at or below 2,500.
At or below 2,500, Cherokee 22336.
My departures, it's Niner Hotel, Sierra Papa Whiskey request.
Go ahead.
Okay, we've had a caution come on in the cockpit. It's not an emergency. We just need to stop climb at 7,000, cycle the gear, slow to 200 knots. Is that okay?
9 Hotel Sierra Papa Whiskey, maintain 7,000.
Maintain 7,000, Niner Hotel, Sierra Papa Whiskey.
This time they declare an emergency. Did you hear? They've got an issue.
Parents of my Makatunam from New York. These are their Makatunam, so we became friends. At my son's wedding. They live in New York and they also staying here in Florida. They got a place. So they're just texting me, inviting us for tomorrow. And the whole thing to invite them over to the club. I don't know what. And what do I want for dinner? And so I have to answer her.
No problem.
Just to let her know that I'll call her when I'm.
0 and 1 0 is the
You're a big shot. In other words, you're invited to clubs and all that.
Yes.
You're a big shot.
Yes.
Got it.
Yeah.
Well,
Town traffic, Cherokee 45 to left, downwind, runway 16, Lantana. Town traffic, Cherokee turning left base, runway 16, Lantana.
Traffic Cessna 80961 just over 110 days track heading westbound, 1000 feet Lantana.
That was a nice sharp turn.
Somebody's there on the runway.
Nobody is, no?
Town traffic, Cherokee turning final, runway 16. Is there someone on the runway on 16, Lantana?
Yeah, we're trying to lining up and waiting for the traffic to clear the runway. Lantana.
Holy crap.
Lantana traffic, Cessna 469, taking off runway 16, runway heading.
Traffic number 61 Golf Alpha is 4 miles southeast of, going to join the extended left downwind, runway 16.
There. Bravo 2, I'm gonna take Bravo 2.
Oh. I forgot the signal.
Town traffic, Cherokee, clear, runway 16, Lantana.